Good afternoon mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin ang transportation model unbalance problem using BAM. Okay, sa previous lesson natin, nag-solve tayo ng mga problem natin using northwest corner rule, least cost method, and yung BAM balance problem. So this time, we'll solve unbalanced problem. So itong problem na to, nasolve na natin ito sa northwest corner rule and the same time sa least cost method, kung saan madedetermine natin ang ating problem kung siya ay balance or unbalance. First is i-add natin yung supply and demand natin. So this is 900 for our supply and for our demand is 1,200. Obviously this is not balance. Para maging balance ang ating supply and demand, nag-add tayo ng dummy. Okay? So, para maging balance ang ating demand and supply, so we will add 300 para sa ating dummy. Therefore, yung ating supply ay magiging 1,200 na and siya ay equal na sa ating demand. And for our cost, from dummy to sold is $0. Okay? So, kung ang ating demand naman ang may kulang or hindi equal sa ating supply, dahil ang ating supply is 1,200, so dito naman tayo mag-add sa ating destination. So sa column tayo maglalagay ng dummy. So para maging equal siya, maglalagay tayo ng 300 na demand. So this is 1,200 and for the cost, Hanoi to dummy is $0. Okay? So after nating makapaglagay ng dummy para maging equal yung ating supply and demand, so same procedure tayo dun sa ating Vogel's approximation method or yung BAM natin. Okay, this is an improved version of the least cost method. Okay? So whereas sa ating unbalanced problem sa northwest corner method natin, ang nakuha nating sagot doon sa shipping cost is 5,900 and sa ating LCM is 3,400. Okay. So we will try or we will find out kung kaya pa ba natin itong mapababa using BAM. Okay. So same procedure pa rin tayo sa ating balance problem. Okay, yun lang pinagkaiba, naglalagay lang tayo ng dummy kapag unbalanced yung ating problem. So, step 1, for each row, determine the penalty. Okay, by subtracting the smallest unit cost and the next smallest unit cost. Next, for our step 2, is identify natin yung ating row or column with the largest penalty. Okay, after nating ma-identify, then pipili tayo doon sa row or column natin yung smallest shipping route or yung cost. Then next is ito yung ating step 3, A to D. Okay? So let's start for our BAM method. So kunin natin yung mga smallest shipping cost for each row and column. For our destination or demand, so our column sold, okay, 0 is the lowest and second to the lowest is 4. Okay, for Sydney 0, 2. For Tokyo 0 and 3. For the supply or the warehouse, Hanoi row is the lowest is 2 and the second to the lowest is 8. And for the Manila row, so this is 4 and 6, 3 and 5. Okay, then we will subtract, okay, para malaman natin or ma-determine natin yung largest penalty. Okay, this is 4, 2 minus 0, 2, 3, 8 minus 2 is 6, 2 and 2. And ang may largest penalty, yung ating row na Hanoi. Okay, so meron siyang penalty na 6. Then, we will determine the cheapest or lowest price. So, Hanoi to Sydney ang merong lowest shipping cost with a $2. So, we will allocate 300. Okay, then cross out. Then, 400 minus 300 is 100. Okay. Then, balik ulit tayo sa ating step 1. Okay. So, i-erase ko na to. Okay. And this. Okay. Dahil hindi na natin magagamit yung 2. Yung Hanoi to Sydney dahil nasatisfy na natin yung supply. Naubos na yung supply ni Hanoi warehouse going to Sydney. Okay. Then, ang may largest na penalty is yung 7. So, yung column ng Sydney. So, ang lowest shipping cost is Dami to Sydney. So, we will allocate 100. And this is 300 minus 100 is 200. Then, mag-i-erase ako. Ayan. Then, balik ulit tayo sa step 1 natin. Okay. So, ang merong largest penalty is yung ating sold na column. So, my lowest cost is Dami to sold. So, we will allocate 200. This is cross. Okay. Then, dito ay magiging 6 and 3. And the largest penalty is 3. So, therefore, we will allocate 100. Okay, then this is cross out. This is 200 minus 100 is 100. Then cross out. Then, this time, no need na tayong mag-determine ng penalty dahil dalawa na lang ang ating cell na unused. So, from Manila to Seoul and Manila to Tokyo, then we will pick the lowest shipping cost, which is Manila to Seoul with a $4. So, we will allocate 400. And 500 minus 400 is 100. And for Manila to Tokyo is 100. Okay. So, therefore, ang ating magiging shipping route is from Hanoi to Sydney, 300 units. From Manila to Seoul, 400. From Manila to Tokyo, 100. From Beijing to Tokyo, 100. And from Dami to Seoul, 200. Dami to Sydney, 100. And we will compute the total shipping cost. So, ang ating magiging total shipping cost for our BAM is 3,100. So, from Northwest Corner Rule, 5,900 going down to 3,400 using least cost method. And, napababa natin ito into 3,100 using BAM. Okay, so that's all for our unbalanced problem using BAM method. Thank you.